Today on the Scran line, we are making a delicious cake that packs a super duper flavor punch. Follow your taste buds into warmer weather with this lemon sponge cake. Made of a delicate lemon sponge cake with lemon cream cheese frosting, drizzled with sour lemon on top, and some lemon slices. I mean, does it get any more lemony than this? The answer is no. Let's begin with the cake. This is really easy and simple. We're going to be adding some softened butter and sugar into a large mixing bowl, and we're going to mix these two ingredients together. Now, doing this creaming method, as you're creaming it, the sugar actually creates air pockets in the butter, which is one of the things that's going to help our cake rise and become fluffy. After about 3 minutes, you want to add your eggs one at a time, mixing each time and scraping in between each addition. Next, you're going to add some Greek yogurt, some vanilla extract, and you're going to zest about 3 or 4 lemons and add the lemon juice in there as well. The lemon juice is actually going to react with the baking powder that we're going to add in a second, and it's going to help our cake rise and become fluffy as well. Once you've mixed all of that in there, add your flour, so self-raising flour. You might know it as self-rising flour as well, and that baking powder. We're going to mix this on low speed to begin with, and then continue mixing on medium-high speed until you can see no dry ingredients. As usual, make sure you scrape down your bowl when you're mixing cake batter. You're going to add your batter evenly amongst 2 8-inch cake tins, spray them with oil and line the bottom with baking paper. These are going to go in the oven for 45 to 50 minutes on 150 degrees Celsius. Once they finish baking, let them cool down completely. Let's move on to that delicious, not too sweet lemony cream cheese frosting. Add softened cream cheese and softened butter to a large mixing bowl. Cream these two ingredients until they're pale and fluffy. Then you're going to add some powdered sugar, some more lemon zest, and you're going to mix until your mixture is nice and creamy. Set that aside and let's just finish off with our lemon drizzle. Now, if you're not a fan of things that are too lemony, you can replace the lemon in this portion with just equal parts water. Once you've added your powdered sugar and lemon juice or water to your mixing bowl, mix these two ingredients with a whisk until they form kind of a drizzle consistency. If you find that your mixture is too thin, add some more powdered sugar and continue mixing until you reach the right consistency. If your mixture is too thick, add some more liquid. Our cakes have baked and cooled down and they're just so beautifully golden. Take them out of the cake tin and take the baking paper off. Add your first cake layer and then add about 2/3 of the cream cheese frosting. Spread it around evenly and then add the second cake layer. Now, I should have just done this on my cake turntable in the first place. It is so much easier to decorate with one of these. I decided while I was doing this that I wanted to make this cake a little bit more fancy, so I'm going to scrape away a little bit of that frosting in between the cakes and pipe some more of that cream cheese frosting. I'm just using a piping bag fitted with a Wilton 1M tip. Once you've done that, add your lemon drizzle and let it drip over the sides. Pipe some more cream cheese frosting on top and finish with some fresh lemon wedges right before you're ready to serve. The only thing left to do is slice this cake up and serve it, guys. And if you want to try this recipe, I've got the recipe available for free on my website, which you can print off easily. The link is in the description box below for you guys. Click on that and you'll be taken to my recipe. If you enjoyed watching this video and spending time with me in my kitchen, please hit the like button and make sure you subscribe and hit the little bell notification icon. There are more recipes up on screen right now. Click on those to continue watching Scranline videos. Thank you so much for watching. Have a lovely day and I'll see you all on the next episode of the Scranline.